Unit 8. Right to Mission. Lesson 1-2. Listen and read. Shima is at home today. She did not go to school. She did not go to madrasa because she is ill. She has a cough and a sore throat. She also feels very bad because she has a fever. She has the flu. The doctor visited Shima last night. She needs some medicine. He also told her about to do in order to get well soon. The doctor's advice: eat foods that gives your body energy. Try to eat even if you are not hungry. You need to be strong. Rest, stay at home, don't go to madrasa or work. Drink a lot of water or juice. They are better than soft drink. Add the casing or coffee and seasoning. Cover your mouth and nose. Use a tissue, not your hand. Wash your hands regularly. Use your own plate, glass and cup. Others people cannot catch your illness from these things. Occupational. Listen and read. A long time ago, when Rocky was in class 5, there was a fire in his madrasa. Everyone was very afraid, but no one panicked. The teachers helped the student to leave the building quickly and safely. Soon the firefighters came and put out the fires. Raju watches the firefighters from the madrasa yard. He thought about the fires and the firefighters for a long time. After Alim, Raju joined a volunteer fire department. As a volunteer, he did not get any money for this work, but Raju did not mind. Now Raju is a full-time firefighter. It's his job, so he earns money for it. Most of the times, his works it put out the fires. But he also teaches new firefighters and safely. He likes teaching very much. In his free times, Raju visits madrasa. He talks to students about fire safety. He tells them what to do if there is a fire. They should not panic. They should listen to their teachers and leave the building quietly. Read again, write D for true or F for false. There was a fire at Raju's madrasa when he was in class 5. True. The teachers left the students to be during the fire. Always, Raju did not see the firefighters put out the fires of his school. Raju always earns money for being firefighters. Raju also likes teaching. Talking to students is part of Raju's job.